So we saw that the technical setup of rooms took very diverse shapes. And in our empirical data, we saw 3 types of setups. One example is where there are 2 to 3 technicians even who are situated behind a window wall to where the teaching takes place, sort of a real recording studio. Where another example was sort of more of one master control room with the technicians, and then a number of small studios where the distance learning situation could take place. And then there was the third example, actually the room that we're in right now, where the technician is situated inside the teaching room. And so that's quite 3 different kind of setups. And of course also the technician role was different. I mean, in the first one, for example, the technician was first and foremost a technician, whereas in this room, the technicians were also musicians and a sound director from the conservatory. And we see this as an indication that, to the extent where technicians actually play a role for the actual teaching situation, and that gives sort of different condition for who is the owner of the teaching room. And it's quite important that this physical framing and the technological setup comes with different qualities. And there are pros and cons to those setups. And it's really important that the organization and at the organizational level, it's discussed what are these pros and cons for us, and take account into what are really appropriate for us given the sort of physical space that we have available, but also monetary situation, etc. And then really what is feasible for us as an organization.